Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b times of square root of b is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first step we are going to do is, first we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So further here we break this square and we apply this square separately on both of these two values, and we get b square times square root of b and its whole square is equals to, this is 8 square, and 8 square becomes 64. And in the next step we have, this is b square, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to, this is 64. In the next step we have b square multiplied by b becomes b cubed, and this whole equation equals to 64. And further we move 64 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get b cubed minus 64, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as, this is b cubed minus, here we have 64, and we write this 64 as 4 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. And you see that the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we need to just substitute the values of x and y into the below formula, and after using these values we will get, the first factor is x minus y, the value of x is b minus y is 4 into, this is x square, the value of x is b square plus xy, this is b times 4 plus this is y square, and y is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square plus 4b plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of b is equals to 4. So this is the first real root of the given equation. And from here you see that this is the quadratic equation, and we need to solve this quadratic equation. You know about that there are three ways to solve the quadratic equation. The first way is completing square, second one is factorization technique, and third one is by using the quadratic formula. So that here we use the nice quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as b equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c, and we get here the other roots of the given equation. So we have b equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 4, it will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square becomes 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. In the next step we have, this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 times of 16, it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further we need more simplifications here. So we need more simplification inside the square root sign, and we have b equals to minus 4 plus minus. Here you see that inside the square root sign we have 16 be the common value. After taking common 16 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have, this is minus 4 plus minus. Here we break this fraction, we break this square root sign, and we apply it on 16, and square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 and it is divided by 2. And further you see here we have b is equals to, this is minus 4 plus minus, we know that square root of 16 becomes 4, and again we break this square root sign and we write square root of 3 into square root of minus 1, and parallel we just break this fraction and we get minus 4 divided by 2 in the same pattern. This term is also divided by 2 after breaking this fraction. And in the next step we need to write this into the lowest form. This is 2 times 2 becomes 4 and we get minus 2 plus minus. This is also cancelled out by each other. 2 times 2 becomes 4 and we get 2 times of square root of 3, and here you know that square root of minus 1 becomes iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And finally we have, there are 3 roots of the given equation in which these 2 roots are complex roots, and b is equals to 4, be the only one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.